In this video we are going to learn how to draw the family tree in the pediatric history. Two symbols are used separately for the male and the female. For the female we use the symbol of circle, and for the male we use symbol of the rectangle. So here is the male and the female, and we draw a bond between male and female to show whether they have a consanguineous marriage or non-consanguineous. Consanguineous marriage is the cousin marriage, and non-consanguineous is the marriage who is not with the cousin or outside the family. So if there is non-consanguineous marriage, then we will draw a single line between these two, male and female. But if there is a consanguineous marriage, which is a cousin marriage, then we will draw double lines to show the marriage is consanguineous between these two persons or in this pair. Then further we will draw this line to draw their children. Similarly, for the male child we will draw this rectangle, and for the female child we will draw the circle, and below each child we will write the age. Let's suppose first child was of the 10 years old, and the second child, who is a female, was 8 years old. So this is the symbol of healthy alive children of these two persons. And let's suppose if the abortion occurs, then we will draw a rectangle and fill. This showed that there was abortion occurs in the third pregnancy, and if any child, whether the male or the female, is ill or diseased, then we will shadow it like this. And if the another child is also, then we will make lines in the opposite direction. Yes. So this shows that their fourth and fifth children, which is the fourth male and the fifth female, are both deceased. Let's suppose male is the 6 years of age and female is 4 years of age. Then if either of the child is dead or expired, then we will draw the male and the female. We will draw this line to show they were expired in the age of 2 years post. Here comes another scenario, that if the couple had twins, then how will we show it? Like this. We will make two sub branches of the main branch, and then we will label. If the both twin children are female, then we will mark we will label two circles. If the one is male and the one is the female, then we will draw like this, and if the both are male, then we will draw a rectangle in the both sides respectively. Then another condition has to be identified, that whether the twins were identical and or non-identical. If the twins were non-identical, then we will draw single line between these two, and if this is for the non-identical twins, and if the twins were identical to each other, then we will draw double line. So let's suppose these two were the identical twins, then we will draw double line. We draw the double line in between them, and below we write the age. So this is the complete family tree, which can be made according to the respective case or scenario, and by looking at it we can easily have a very good idea about the family composition of a couple, how much their children have, and how much of them are diseased or departed or aborted.